of writing one. What about you?
Me too, but sometimes rainy days are more relaxing than sunny ones are there.
True. By the way, you have an assignment due tomorrow, right?
Yes, but I have finished it yet. Hey you?
No, not yet. I done the first part, but not the second one.
Some have the second part is hard than the first than you agree.
Definitely, I think we should work on it together.
That's a great idea. Studying together is always more effective than doing it alone.
Agreed. Let's meet in the library after lunch.
Sure.